Okay, here it is. The problem. The tent garage with the zippers that are no good anymore. I've had to patch one zipper, and now this one is shot. This is the new replacement to the zippers. I used an old socket heated up to make these nice clean holes. So here are the dowels, holes drilled in them. And they are through the plywood, and I have to show you the 1x on the inside. So instead of string, I ended up using this cable. It's a plastic coated cable. You can see I've got it threaded through the tent, well, through the plywood. The 1x4, it gives the dowels a little more support. I just pinned it with some finished nails. It holds them well enough. And I've got the plywood screwed to the 1x4, so the whole thing acts as a unit. The plywood is kind of stitched to the tent with these cords. If I wanted to improve the width, see, I've reduced the width of the opening by about, I don't know, 5 inches. But I could cut on this line, which is where the 1x4 is, and widen out the opening a little bit if I wanted to, but at this point I don't see a need. Anyway, I just thought I would show you the closing technique. So you get those aligned, and then just thread the cable through. Like so. Of course, if you have two hands, it goes a little faster. Takes a little longer than a zipper, but better than building something else with out of wood, and it keeps the whole tent still a temporary structure, so you can move it if you had to. And there you have it.